Hello everyone, and welcome. If you're ready to dive into the Korean language, but feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of resources, this video is for you. We're distilling 3 years of successful self-study into the most effective and structured path. To start, you don't need dozens of tools, you need a strategic handful. The journey begins with the alphabet. Ditch the confusing apps and head straight to YouTube. Search for channels like Korean with Miss Vicky, or go Billy Korean to master Hangul in a systematic, visual way. Once you have the letters down, you need a syllabus. Your next step is integrating structure and grammar. The most powerful free resource for this is the King Sejong Institute website. They offer comprehensive free courses complete with pre-recorded lessons and even live classes taught by native speakers. This acts as your virtual classroom, complete with level placement tests. For a deep, textbook-like dive into the complexities of Korean grammar, utilize howtostudykorean.com. This site is meticulously structured and breaks down difficult grammar points, minimizing the frustration of exceptions. Remember, building a strong foundation in grammar now will save you countless hours later. When it comes to vocabulary and daily practice, your smartphone is your best friend. For translation and vocabulary lookup, Naver Dictionary is superior to generic translators because it provides real-life sentence examples, showing you how native speakers actually use the words, a key feature missing from many other tools. Complement this with learning apps like Bunpo, Memrise, or Lingodeer for flashcards and step-by-step vocabulary acquisition. Crucially, don't neglect practice. Use sites like vac.cc to practice your reading and listening at your current proficiency level. The final and most critical hurdle is spoken fluency and consistency. Many people fear making mistakes, which prevents them from speaking. You must embrace mistakes. They are proof you are learning. Start practicing immediately using apps designed for conversation. HelloTalk connects you with language partners for text chat, while Malm offers limited-time voice calls for low-pressure speaking practice. You can even leverage ChatGPT or Pingo AI for instant, non-judgmental practice with an AI tutor. Finally, to maintain consistency, set a minimum daily goal. Even 30 minutes is highly effective. Find your motivation, whether it's a scholarship goal or the desire to connect with Korean culture. Stay accountable, record your progress, and remember that slow, steady effort always wins the race.